Understanding Research Protocol, Simplified for English Language Learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic in the English language, research protocol. This phrase might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to understand. So, let's get started and explore what research protocol really means. A research protocol is a plan or a detailed method for conducting research. Think of it as a recipe for a chef. Just as a recipe guides a chef on how to cook a dish, a research protocol guides researchers on how to conduct a study or experiment. It includes objectives, methods, and procedures to ensure that the research is systematic and reliable. Now, let's look at the main parts of a research protocol. These usually include 1. Introduction and objectives. Here, researchers explain the purpose of the study and what they hope to achieve. 2. Methodology. This is the core of the protocol, outlining how the research will be conducted, including the tools and techniques to be used. 3. Data analysis plan. Researchers describe how they will analyze the data they collect. 4. Ethical considerations. This is crucial. It involves ensuring the research respects ethical standards, especially when involving human subjects. 5. Timeline and budget. Lastly, a good protocol outlines the time and resources needed to complete the research. Why is a research protocol so important? It's simple. Ensures clarity. It provides a clear roadmap for the research. Maintains consistency. Helps in maintaining uniformity throughout the study. Facilitates review and approval. A well-written protocol is essential for getting approval from research committees or funders. Acts as a guide. It guides not just the researchers but also helps others understand the study better. I hope this video has helped clarify what a research protocol is and why it's so important in the world of research. Remember, it's like a detailed plan that guides researchers through their journey of discovery. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.